Hi everyone, let's look into 5 best Scribe alternatives that you should be aware of for creating step-by-step guides. Scribe is a step-by-step guide creation tool for internal documentation and useful to feed AI agents. With the help of Scribe's extension, you can just capture your workflow. After the capture, Scribe creates a step-by-step guide with instructions and annotated screenshots based on your clicks. Here, Guide Me helps this guide to appear in actual workflow window to refer and learn instead of learning from different window. Scribe is really helpful for creating SOPs and documentation for internal teams. So the real question isn't only what's exactly like Scribe, it's also what should a step-by-step guide creation tool actually do in 2026? Number 1. The captions that are generated for each step should explain why. As in Scribe's instructions, it just instructs rather than telling the context or explaining why. Like, navigate to this, or just click through this, or click insert link. But in Trainn's step instruction, it actually explains the context. Like, highlight the text that you want to hyperlink in the email body. Click the insert link, which is at the bottom of your window. Number 2. Step-by-step doc on its own just isn't enough anymore to make it engaging. Some customers want to read a document, some want to try a clickable walkthrough at their own pace, and many just want to press play and watch a short video. But Scribe locks with one format, a step-by-step guide. There's no freedom to create different formats based on what each topic needs and learners' preferences. If you'd consider Trainn, it lets you create multi-format training content like video, interactive guide, and step-by-step guide, giving flexibility to learn content in the preferred mode. Number 3. It's not enough or feasible to just create and stack these guides or every time share links when asked. Building a searchable hub or academy lets users self-serve, learning whatever they need, whenever they need it. First up is Trainn. It begins with a Chrome extension. Trainn captures the actions and generates a step-by-step guide, each step with its contextual instructions and annotated screenshots, where zooms and spotlight applied automatically based on the clicks made. You can fine-tune the guide as per your requirement by editing the screenshot, adjusting the zooms or spotlights, or you can add a CTA onto any step and more. In Trainn, that single guide actually comes in 2 modes, an interactive guide and step-by-step guide. This lets to choose whichever format fits, or let people choose how they'd rather learn. To serve your global audience, you can translate a guide into 30+ global languages with just one click. To keep your guide updated, as when UI changes, you just have to swap the outdated step with a new UI image, instead not re-recording from scratch. But here's what really sets Trainn apart. It goes way beyond guide creation. Trainn is a complete customer education platform, where you can create multi-format training content like videos, interactive guides, and step-by-step guides with zero editing or design experience. Then deliver these contents directly with built-in knowledge base, or structure them into academy courses or as an in-app experience. As it's shown here, you can also measure your content performance and see which delivery channel drives more engagement. This helps to iterate your training accordingly. Second alternative is Supademo. Supademo is built for creating an interactive product demo with an AI voiceover. From Supademo extension, record your workflow, and it generates an interactive walkthrough with clickable hotspots, AI voiceover, and instructions. This lets new customers to click and learn each step at their own pace. It helps you embed interactive demo in your emails and websites where they can view without signing in. And also with the help of Demo Hub, you can group your demos created into a searchable hub for your customers. Supademo is really useful for sales enablement and activate early customers. Number 3 is Tango. Tango is closely similar to Scribe. Through its extensions, it generates a step-by-step guide with a step instruction and an annotated screenshot. It's useful for teams creating internal training. Its output is more polished than Scribe, with a smooth editing experience and stronger formatting. Fourth one is Guide. With the help of the extension, once your workflow is recorded, it generates a video where annotated screenshots are stitched together with an AI voiceover. It's just a slideshow of all steps, but nothing like an engaging video that would help to train your customers. Simultaneously, it also generates a step-by-step guide with annotated screenshots and its instructions. So if you want to create a simple and linear how-to documentation, then Guidde is the best choice. Last alternative is Iorad. If the workflow is captured, it generates an interactive tutorials where users can click through the guide at their own pace. Here, it gives option over different modes where you can watch this guide as scroll, as slides, or as a video. Or you can also refer this guide exactly at your workflow while actually doing it. Here, you have it. The top 5 Scribe alternatives on the market today. But remember, capturing a fast step-by-step guide is only step 1. The real value comes when you create those resources through engaging content and deliver through self-serve channels, where your customers can press play, click along, and learn at their own preferred pace. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment with any questions if you have.